Hello everyone, this is Henry Magembe, Seboa, Uganda, Mbalala Mukono, a dragon fruit farmer, currently called Pitaya. Today we are in our dragon fruit orchard and currently we're going to talk about weeding. As you can see, this side we haven't been weeding for quite like 2 weeks because it is raining. It is raining nowadays. As you can see, the other side we have been weeding. This side we have been weeding, but currently this side we have just started, as you can see. And probably the major reasons as why we carry out weeding in the dragon fruit orchard. First and foremost, the weeds, as you can see, these weeds, they compete actually for light with these dragon fruit plants. As you can see, these young ones, the ones down, as you can see, they will be competing for light. They'll be competing for light and they will be stunted. They won't grow long as you can see the others. But when you remove the weeds around, that means the plant will be growing tall and healthy. And actually, you can come here and you can see there is that big difference. You can see that when you remove this, you can see this one is short compared to the others. But if you have removed the weeds, it would have been grown very fast. You can come and see these ones. Here, as we talked last time, that we were applying manure, the weeds were removed, and you can see the results for only 2 weeks. Only 2 weeks. Only 2 weeks. Those are the results. As you can see, you can come and see. But currently, when we weed, we don't take away and we don't throw away the weeds. Actually, we pile them together. As you can see, we pile them together. When they decompose, they act as manure, and due to the reason and due to the fact that this is a hilly place, when it rains heavily, the water from the other side, it comes down at a very high speed, and these piled weeds, they help in reducing the high speed of water. As you can see here, you can come. And actually, another thing, today you have to do a daily checkup on your plants. You have to do a daily checkup on your plants. There is what we call pest picking. You can picking caterpillars, snails. You can check, because you can come and see the effect. If you don't do the daily checkup, you can see the effect of the snails. There is this fungal. If you don't come on a daily basis, here, if you don't come on a daily basis, you will not see this. You will come later, you'll see that your plant was affected a long time ago, but you will do the daily checkup. You come, you can apply what we call the hydrogen peroxide, and you can come, also you can see removing these is also necessary, because when you leave all these, there is what we call competition. They'll be competing for food, water, and nutrients also. And also this, you remove this one, you can remove. Come and see here, there is this young one coming here. You leave only one. As you can see here, we left only one. As you can see, you remove. There is what we call caterpillar picking. This is a caterpillar, as you're seeing. You remove these ones, they destroy after you kill it. They feed on these plants. You can come. There is last time we talked about applying manure. If you don't apply manure, your plant will look like this. Your plant will look like this. So here, this plant is lacking some nutrients. As you are saying, it is yellowing. It is lacking chlorophyll. You come. So that's why I'm saying that you have to do a daily checkup on your plant. Yeah. As you're seeing, those guys are trying to pick up some pests. Come on. So there is also this problem when it overrains and when there is a lot of water in the soils. This problem is always present during the rainy season. So you have to remove this. If you don't remove, it will affect the whole plant. So you have to remove it such that you leave only the stem. called stem rotting. In most cases, it is a fungal infection, and it happens during the rain season. So you must remove this, as you can see, because when you remove, it won't affect the upper parts. As you can see, this one here, this one I want to show them. You can see here, oh, you have to be careful, they are thorns. You can see this was affected here, but when I removed them, this part wasn't affected. And come and see here. This, the last 2 weeks I removed this. You see, this, the last 2 weeks, this one was removed, and the upper parts were not affected. That's why I always encourage you to visit your farm on a daily basis. You can also come here. This one, it was removed yesterday, as you can see, and these parts will not be affected. As you can see, also these ones, see, these ones removed last time, and the upper parts were not affected. So when you remove, the upper parts won't be affected. So I'm going to keep on encouraging you, my fellow farmers that are visiting your farm on a daily basis. Will help you to point out or to see which plants are affected with pests, with stem rotting, the fungal infections. I'm remaining Henry Magembe Seboa. Please, I'm requesting you to subscribe to keep my videos moving. Thank you. God bless you.